Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bilkis Telgifari. Today, the title of debate is Comment in social media should be protected by free speech. In the modern world, the internet has changed the pattern of communication. It has drastically changed the way of our talking pattern with our friends and generally our lives to social media provide platforms to people for expressing their thought, opinion, and voice freely. The meaning of free speech is allowed to express your freely without interfering or limitation by the government. The possible consequence of the speech on social media comment is protected by free speech may not be limited. Okay, there is much controversy over the topic of free speech in social media comments. I believe the people should have the right to free speech on social media sites. One reason for these claims is that the internet is a place when anyone can share their opinions freely. Free speech has been an important part of the we for as long as it has existed. To take this away would prevent millions of people from expressing their views and would go against the most fundamental aspect of the internet. We need to protect our right to free speech digital. While my opponent mentioned an important concept, that the internet sole purpose is to exchange idea and opinion, my stance remains. There are simply some messages that don't deserve to be spread. For instance, terrorist groups like ISIS have used social platforms like Twitter to recruit people to enforce their region violence. This doesn't simply spread an opinion. It plays a part in the death of innocent people. If that account was taken down immediately, less newcomers would have joined this dreadful group. Cutting off the group's resource and saving life. There is an important distinction between free speech and hate speech. After all, if people were to get to plot murders or any kind of crimes in real life, they would be arrested. Why should planning something like this online be a difference? My opponent mentioned very good points. However, you neglect to consider the laws of our country. The Indonesian Constitution gives every Indonesian people right to free speech. Any Indonesian citizen is allowed to say whatever they want. However, this can change once you join social media sites. Why should this be different on the internet? If comments are banned, where will the boundaries be? Will all comments be banned? Although my opinions bring up a good point saying that free speech is the First Amendment in our Constitution and it should be limited online. I have to disagree. Yes, free speech is important, but online. Regulation need to be set up. For example, spreading false allegation about someone online. Online rumors have ruined people's careers. In that, there was a Taiwanese model named Heidi, whose entire life was sent off the rails by a false accusation. She was part of an Anat, where she stood next to two children and a man that was portraying her character husband. Apparently, the children didn't look much like her. So somehow a rumor came to be the rumor. what Heidi had plastic surgery and she didn't want her husband to know. Supposedly, that's why the children didn't look like her. Although there was no truth to this claim. After this story went viral, modeling agency turned down her service because they refused to believe that she had work done. Since that, she only had very small part in minors acts. This all happened because of one ridiculous online rumor that wasn't censored in all. Some online comments should be able to be taken down instead of hiding behind the concept of free speech. Okay, thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.